welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Steam website. So let's go ahead and search for Steam, and here you can see this is our website. Click on this website, and over here what you have to do is click on install Steam button. If you don't have the app installed, you have to click on this button right here and then click on install Steam. After that, you have to make your Steam account. So for that, you can just click on login and you can click on create account over here, and you can fill in the information. So I have already installed Steam, so I'm gonna open the Steam application now. So to install Need for Speed Most Wanted, what you have to do is go to the search bar over here and search for Need for Speed Most Wanted, and here you can see it is just priced at $3. So it is on a massive discount of 85%, so I suggest you to buy on this discount offer. So what you have to do is just click on add to cart, and then after that what you have to do is just check out. So here you have to enter your payment information and check out. Then you'll be able to download and install Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC and laptop and enjoy the game. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.